Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you we discuss with you Astrill VPN review tutorial for beginners. But first, check a special offer in the description. So let's get started. Now, if you're wondering if Astrill VPN here is actually good, well, there are a few things that you may want to know. Now, if you're looking at Astrill VPN, think of it as a heavy-duty tank of the VPN world here. It is not a flashy mainstream app here, but rather a highly specialized tool designed for one specific superpower. Now, absolutely obliterating the world's toughest internet censorship. Now, like the Great Firewall of a certain country here. But in this case, how do you download and start using it? Well, the first thing you want to do is you want to open up Google Play Store here, just search for Astrill VPN, and from here, you want to go ahead and just click on the install button. And once you do click on install, you go and click on open, and from here, you may need to fill out certain details. Now, you could either register an account here, or you could go and log in with your already existing account. Now, in this case, you can go and just click on login, and once you've logged in, it's now going to ask you to basically get a subscription. Now, in this case, before we actually discuss what you can actually get with a full VPN account here with Astrill, well, there are a few things that you may want to know. Now, you will notice that the interface actually looks, or when you actually subscribe to or get the app Astrill VPN here, you'll notice that the app or the interface looks incredibly old school. Now, like a piece of software from the decades ago. But using it takes zero effort here. You just pick a country from the top down and just basically click the massive on and off button, as you can see right now. And basically, that should turn on your connection. Now, in this case, this one is best for daily experiences. Now, your best friend in the future called smart mode here. So in this case, turning this on is automatically routes all your connections or international web traffic through the VPN while letting your local websites load normally. Now, this is amazing because it lets you bypass foreign restrictions without constantly triggering annoying security warnings or blockages on your local banking apps. Now, if you ever find yourself in a heavily restricted region where the internet is strictly blocked, now you just need to tap the protocol settings and switch to their custom stealth VPN mode, and this hides your traffic and tricks the network into thinking you are just doing normal web browsing. But there are a few things that you need to keep in mind. Now, there are some downsides here, not all positives. Now, the downside here is pretty steep. Now, the thing with Astrill VPN is the actual subscription here is quite eye-watering. Now, it's quite expensive, so costing about like $30 a month. And they have a strict zero refund policy, so you can't get your money back if you change your mind. Now, the app can also be a bit clunky, forcing you to completely disconnect before it lets you switch to a new server location. But ultimately here, if you just want a cheap, sleek tool to watch foreign streaming libraries at home, you should definitely skip this one. But if you are traveling to a highly censored country and absolutely need a digital lifeline that is completely bulletproof, well, Astrill is worth the premium here. But that's about it. So, if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.